Romesco sauce improves absolutely everything that it touches. This is my way of making this absolutely fabulous sauce, and I hope it will be yours too. Yes, you can buy roasted red peppers in a jar, but absolutely nothing beats that smoky, robust flavor that a freshly charred pepper imparts to this sauce. Once the pepper is sufficiently charred, I'm then going to remove it and place it into a bowl and cover it up with plastic wrap. I need the residual heat to help the pepper to separate itself from the skin, and this will make it so much easier to remove all that charred skin off the pepper. While the pepper is cooling, you can gather together all the rest of your ingredients to make this sauce. I like to work with cold water when it comes to removing the skin of the pepper. Not only does it help to remove the skin and those pesky seeds, as well as the membrane, it also helps to cool the pepper down if it's still slightly warm. Once the pepper's been sufficiently cleaned on the exterior, let's work on the interior. Start by tearing that stem off the top. It'll take care of that tough membrane as well as some of the seeds. And then just start pulling it apart. You don't even need a knife, which makes this sauce so much easier to make. Once it's cleaned, it's going right into your blender or your food processor, and all the ingredients are going to follow along behind it. So in go the peppers, then your minced garlic, your toasted nuts or breadcrumbs, tomato sauce, fresh parsley, the nutty sherry vinegar. The smoked paprika, I think, is an absolute must. The cayenne pepper, not so much. It's up to you. It'll give a bite. Extra virgin olive oil for sure, because fat carries flavor, followed by the gruesome twosome. Throw the lid on and let it blend. Check to see if there's any chunks of pepper popping around. If so, take off the top, give it a scrape, move it around, but if not, give it a taste. Is it ready? Is it piquant and tasty? If so, then pour it over your favorite dish. I happen to be pouring it over a bowl of creamy polenta with sautéed shrimp. I hope that you've enjoyed watching the making of this sauce. It's just that easy. And I hope it becomes one of your favorite go-to sauces as well.